Ever stubbed your toe and felt like your whole foot went dead? That's kind of what nerve damage, or neuropathy, is like. The messages between your brain and body get all messed up. But what if there were drinks you could make at home that might help with nerve pain? Sounds too good to be true, right? Let's explore drinks for nerve damage, what they are, how they might work according to science, and if they are truly a magic potion. Stick around and let me know in the comments if you've ever tried any nerve-soothing drinks at home. Number 1. Turmeric Latte. Curcumin in turmeric has been studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant abilities. Inflammation is like your body's response to injury or infection, and too much of it can worsen nerve damage. Curcumin calms down this inflammation, kind of like putting out a fire. But that's not all. Curcumin also boosts antioxidants in your body. Antioxidants are like superheroes that fight harmful molecules called free radicals. These free radicals can damage cells, including nerve cells. So, by increasing antioxidants, curcumin protects nerves from further harm. Plus, curcumin also stimulates the production of certain proteins that support nerve growth and repair. Think of it as giving your body a little extra help in rebuilding those damaged nerves. So to sum it up, turmeric lattes with their curcumin can help with nerve damage by reducing inflammation, protecting nerves, and even promoting their repair and growth. Number 2. Ginger lemonade. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogaols, which are like the superheroes of the ginger world. They have anti-inflammatory powers, which means they can calm down any swelling or irritation around those delicate nerves. Now, onto lemons. They are bursting with vitamin C. It helps in collagen production, which is like the glue holding your nerves together. Plus, it's an antioxidant, so it prevents free radicals that can cause damage. Now, when you mix these two into a refreshing lemonade, you are basically creating a powerhouse drink for your nerves. The ginger fights inflammation, while the vitamin C from the lemons keeps your nerve cells in perfect condition. Number 3. Blueberry smoothie. Inside these little guys are compounds called flavonoids, which have some serious nerve-protecting powers. They reduce inflammation and help nerve cells grow and repair themselves. Blueberries also contain vitamins and minerals like vitamin K and manganese, which play crucial roles in nerve health. Vitamin K helps in the production of a special fat called sphingolipids, which are essential for forming the protective coating around nerve fibers. Think of it like giving your nerves a cozy blanket to snuggle in, keeping them safe and insulated. And manganese? Well, it's like the handyman of your nervous system, helping to build and repair nerve cells so they can function at their best. Now, imagine all these superhero qualities packed into one delicious blueberry smoothie. With every sip, you're not just enjoying a tasty treat, you're giving your nerves a power-up, arming them with everything they need to fight damage, reduce inflammation, and stay strong and healthy. Number 4. Coconut water. Coconut water is brimming with electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium, all of which are super good for keeping you healthy. When your nerves are damaged, they can sometimes lose their ability to properly transmit signals. Electrolytes help maintain the electrical balance in your body, which is crucial for nerve signaling. So, by replenishing these electrolytes, coconut water helps your nerves function better. But that's not all. Coconut water also contains antioxidants, which we know are like the body's defense against harmful molecules called free radicals. By slurping down some coconut water, you're giving your body a boost of antioxidants to protect those delicate nerves. And here's a fun fact: coconut water is naturally low in calories and sugars, making it a healthier option than many commercial sports drinks. So not only does it benefit your nerves, but it is also a great choice for overall health and hydration. Number 5. Bone broth. A pot simmering with bones, maybe from beef or chicken, and some veggies cooking low and slow. What's happening in there is kinda like a magic potion for your nerves. Bones are rich in nutrients like collagen, gelatin, and amino acids. When you simmer bones for hours, all that good stuff leaches into the broth. Collagen, for example, is a protein that's essential for maintaining the structure and strength of your nerves. Then you've got gelatin, which is like a soothing balm for your nerves. It reduces inflammation and calms down any irritation, giving your nerves a chance to heal. And amino acids are the tiny heroes in this story. They play a crucial role in repairing and building new nerve cells. Plus, bone broth is also rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are all vital for nerve function and communication. Number 6. Ashwagandha Tea. Ashwagandha contains compounds called withanolides, which have shown neuroprotective effects in studies. These compounds shield nerve cells from damage caused by stress and toxins. Think of them as tiny shields defending your nerves from harm. Ashwagandha is also an adaptogen, which basically means it helps your body adapt to stress. Now, you might be wondering, what does stress have to do with nerve damage? Turns out, chronic stress can mess up your nerves, making them more susceptible to injury and slowing down the repair process. By calming your body's stress response, ashwagandha indirectly supports nerve repair and regeneration. It tastes earthy and a bit bitter, but it's not overpowering. It's perfect for relaxing and taking a break from a busy day. If you're curious about trying something new and soothing, give ashwagandha tea a chance. Number 7. Aloe Vera Juice. One of the cool things about aloe vera is its gel-like consistency. This gel contains compounds called polysaccharides, which have anti-inflammatory properties. When you drink aloe vera juice, these polysaccharides soothe inflammation not only in your gut, but throughout your body, including around those sensitive nerves. Also, some studies have suggested that aloe vera stimulates the production of nerve growth factors. These are like little messengers that tell your body, hey, we need more nerves over here. So, by sipping on some aloe vera juice, you could be giving your body the signal it needs to stimulate the repair process and grow new nerves where they're needed most. To make aloe vera juice, scoop out the gel from a washed aloe vera leaf, blend it with water, and that's it. You've got a refreshing drink full of benefits for your nerves. Number 8. Green tea. Inside green tea, there's a special compound called epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG for short. Think of nerve damage like a road with potholes. Messages from your brain to your body get all bumpy and confused, just like driving on a messed up road. But when you drink green tea, EGCG steps in like a road crew fixing those potholes. It helps smooth out the communication between your brain and your nerves, making those messages flow better. Researchers have looked at how green tea and its EGCG can help with nerve damage in animals and even in lab experiments with nerve cells. And the results? Pretty promising. And hey, if you're not a fan of hot drinks, no problem. Green tea can be enjoyed cold too. Just brew up a batch, chill it in the fridge, and you've got yourself a refreshing drink that's perfect for any time of day. Number 9. Spinach and Kale Smoothie. These leafy greens are full of compounds like folate and alpha-lipoic acid. Folate is essential for nerve function and repair, acting like a repair crew for any damaged nerve cells. Meanwhile, alpha-lipoic acid is a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes those pesky free radicals, keeping your nerves safe from damage. Spinach and kale are also rich in a special group of compounds called polyphenols. These little guys have anti-inflammatory properties, calming down any inflammation that might be messing with your nerves. Now let's talk about the power of blending. When you toss spinach and kale into a blender, you're breaking down those tough plant cell walls, making all those nutrients more easily absorbed by your body. It's like unlocking the full potential of those leafy greens and unleashing their healing powers. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 10. Almond milk. Almond milk contains riboflavin, a B vitamin essential for nerve health. Riboflavin helps your body produce energy, and since nerve cells are some of the biggest energy hogs in your body, they really appreciate the boost. But how does almond milk actually repair nerve damage? Well, nerve cells have these tiny layers called myelin sheaths, basically like the protective shields on wires. When these myelin sheaths get damaged, it can mess with the signals traveling along your nerves. But guess what? Almond milk contains nutrients like magnesium and calcium, which are crucial for maintaining and repairing those myelin sheaths. And let's not forget about the creamy goodness of almond milk. Whether you're pouring it over cereal, blending it into a smoothie, or enjoying it straight from the glass, almond milk adds a deliciously nutty flavor to any drink or dish. So not only is it good for your nerves, but it's also a tasty addition to your daily routine. Number 11. Lavender Tea. Lavender contains compounds that have calming effects on the body and mind. You know that feeling when you take a deep breath and suddenly everything feels a bit lighter? That's what lavender does to your nerves. It helps them chill out. So it's all about the power of relaxation. When you're stressed or anxious, it can make nerve damage even worse. It's like pouring fuel on the fire. But when you sip on lavender tea, it's like hitting the pause button on stress. It helps your body relax, which in turn can give your nerves a chance to heal and repair themselves. So whether you're dealing with nerve pain, stress, or just looking for a delicious way to relax, lavender tea could be your new go-to drink. Number 12, orange carrot juice. First, let's talk about oranges. They're bursting with vitamin C, which is like a repair kit for your nerves. Vitamin C helps in making collagen, which is essential for keeping those nerve wires strong and intact. And then we have carrots. These crunchy delights are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. It helps in maintaining the protective coating around them, kind of like putting a shield to guard against further damage. Now, when you blend carrots and oranges into a tasty juice, you're basically creating a nerve-boosting elixir. The vitamin A from carrots and the vitamin C from oranges team up to support nerve health, protect against damage, and keep those communication lines clear and smooth. Number 13, passion flower tea. Passion flower tea increases levels of a neurotransmitter called gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, in your brain. GABA is your body's natural chill pill. It calms your nervous system and promotes relaxation. So by boosting GABA, passion flower tea puts your nerves in relaxation mode, allowing them to heal and repair more effectively. Passion flower also has this cool ability to improve sleep quality. Now, you might be wondering, what does sleep have to do with nerve repair? Well, when you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, fixing up any damage that might have happened during the day. So by sipping some passion flower tea before bed, you're not only relaxing your nerves, but also giving them a prime opportunity to do some much-needed maintenance work. And the best part? It's easy to make at home. Just steep some dried passion flower in hot water for a few minutes, strain, and sip. Number 14, beetroot juice. Inside those ruby red roots are compounds called nitrates, and they do something pretty cool when you drink beetroot juice. They get converted into nitric oxide in your body and widen your blood vessels, allowing more oxygen-rich blood to flow through. And guess what? Your nerves love oxygen. When they get plenty of it, they function better and repair themselves more efficiently. But it's not just about oxygen delivery. Nitric oxide also has anti-inflammatory properties. Remember how inflammation can worsen nerve damage? Well, nitric oxide dials down that inflammation, creating a more favorable environment for nerve repair. Now let's talk about a study that backs up these claims. Researchers have found that beetroot juice supplementation could improve nerve function and reduce nerve pain in diabetic neuropathy, a condition where high blood sugar levels damage nerves. Number 15, pomegranate juice. Pomegranates are loaded with something called punicalagins, which stimulate the production of a special protein called nerve growth factor, NGF. NGF is like a coach for your nerves, encouraging them to grow and repair themselves. It also protects the myelin sheath, the protective coating around nerve fibers. By reinforcing this sheath, punicalagin maintains smooth and efficient transmission of nerve signals. Plus, pomegranates are packed with vitamins like C and E, which also play a role in nerve health. Vitamin C helps in collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining the structure of your nerves, while vitamin E acts as a protector, shielding your nerves from further harm. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your nerve health, why not give pomegranate juice a try? It's tasty, refreshing, and full of benefits. Number 16, mint tea. Mint reduces nerve pain by acting as a natural muscle relaxant. When your muscles are tense, they can put pressure on surrounding nerves, causing increased pain and discomfort. Mint tea's soothing properties relax those tense muscles, allowing the nerves to decompress and easing the pain. Moreover, mint tea contains compounds that can block pain signals in your body. Menthol, the main component in mint, has numbing effects, similar to applying a topical analgesic. When you drink mint tea, these compounds interact with receptors in your body, effectively dulling the sensation of pain. And mint tea's anti-inflammatory properties combat inflammation, which is often a root cause of nerve pain. So go ahead, take a moment to relax, and let the calming power of mint tea work its magic on your nerves. Number 17, Avocado Smoothie. Avocados contain healthy fats, like omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for nerve function. These fats maintain the structure of your nerve cells, ensuring they can transmit messages smoothly and efficiently. Now let's talk about potassium. Avocados are loaded with this mineral, and it's crucial for nerve signaling. When your nerves are damaged, they can sometimes struggle to send and receive signals properly. But potassium swoops in to save the day by regulating the electrical impulses that allow your nerves to communicate effectively. To make an avocado smoothie, blend ripe avocado with leafy greens, a banana, nut butter, and your preferred liquid. Adjust sweetness and flavor to taste, then pour into a glass and enjoy the creamy goodness. It's a quick and tasty way to nourish your nerves. Number 18, Moringa Tea. Moringa tea is packed with nutrients that can do wonders for your body. One of these is vitamin B6, which plays a crucial role in nerve health. Vitamin B6 is involved in making neurotransmitters, which are like messengers that carry signals between your nerves. When your body lacks vitamin B6, it can't produce enough neurotransmitters, and that can mess with your nerve function. Now let's talk about another key player in moringa, zinc. It helps in the production of proteins and DNA, which are essential for repairing damaged nerve cells and building new ones. So by sipping on some moringa tea, you're giving your body a boost of vitamin B6 and zinc, two nutrients that are vital for nerve repair and regeneration. So there you have it, a bunch of tasty drinks that give your nerves the boost they need. From turmeric lattes to mint tea, each sip packs a punch of nutrients and soothing properties. Oh, and one more thing. When making these drinks at home, try to go easy on the sugar. Excess sugar can actually make inflammation worse, which is the last thing your nerves need. So just let the natural flavors of the ingredients shine through. Your nerves will thank you for it. Now it's your turn. Have you ever tried any of these nerve-soothing drinks at home? Share your experience in the comments below. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!